If you haven't used a facial steamer before, you're missing out on a game changer for your skincare routine. Not only do they provide deep cleansing benefits, but they can also help with congestion, sinuses, and even provide relaxation. Of the 5 steamers on our list of the best facial steamers, Pure Daily Care is the most popular. Dr. Dennis Gross is the premium option, and As Basics is the most affordable. First up on our list is the Pure Daily Care Nano Steamer. This steamer is incredibly popular and for good reason. It's easy to use and doubles up as a towel warmer and humidifier, making it a versatile addition to your bathroom. The steady steam flow is perfect for a relaxing spa day at home, and it runs for a longer time compared to other steamers on the market. It's great for those with colds and sinuses, as it helps clear out congestion. Next up, we have the Color Farm Ionic Facial Steamer. This steamer is highly rated and easy to use. It's also easy to clean, which is always a plus. The steam feels amazing on your face and is great for sinuses and congestion. It's perfect for a quick pick-me-up or for a more in-depth skincare routine. Moving on to a more premium option, we have the Dr. Dennis Gross Facial Steamer. This steamer is highly rated and heats up quickly, making it an efficient addition to your routine. It's effective at clearing out sinuses and is lightweight enough to hold in one hand. It also has a relaxing effect, which is perfect for those stressful days. However, the only downside is that the water tank is small, so the steam doesn't last as long. The As Basics Ionic Face Steamer is next on our list. And lastly, we have the Microderm Glow Facial Steamer. So, there you have it, our top 5 facial steamers. They're all great options for improving your skincare routine. Let us know in the comments which one you decide to go with. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more recommendations.